Cumin, or JEERA, is a millennium-old spice that most frequently is used in curries and other savory dishes. You might not immediately think to add JEERA to water to make a beverage, but it's one of the simplest ways to enjoy the spice's list of proven health benefits on offer. Let's delve into exactly how JEERA can benefit your body and why you should drink it in water on a daily basis. 1. It's fantastic for digestion. One of the most well-known JEERA water uses is to prompt digestion. The powerful anti-gas chemicals found in JEERA protect the body against a whole host of digestive disorders, most notably irritable bowel disease, and can also put a stop to flatulence and burps in a flash. If you're looking for a simple, quick remedy for your stomach woes, JEERA water is a great natural option that you won't need to pay an extortionate amount of cash to buy. It stimulates the secretion of digestive enzymes and accelerates the digestion process, helping you fight gut issues. It also acts as a painkiller and is especially beneficial in curing stomach ache and abdominal pain. 2. It's anti-inflammatory. A compound found in JEERA is thought to act as a liver protective. It flushes out toxins from the body and facilitates the production of bile, so it's extremely beneficial for the liver. This single chemical is so powerful that it's used in many commercial medicines that are marketed to improve digestion. Of course, the benefit of getting it from your homemade JEERA water and not a medication is that it's simple, easy to prepare, and all natural, and features no mysterious or unknown side effects. 3. It has anticancer and detoxification properties. JEERA is medically proven to prevent free radicals from causing damage that could lead to cancer in the body. It enhances the liver's natural detoxification pathways and aids in overall detoxification and rejuvenation. Good health begins in the gut, and JEERA contains compounds that promote liver health and stimulate digestive enzymes. It helps your body to acquire more nutrition from food, so it can work naturally to detox and heal at a faster rate. 4. It reduces period pain. It might seem like a mom-made remedy that doesn't work, but many people swear by drinking JEERA water to reduce period pain. The spice is known for having a relaxing effect, and its antispasmodic and anti-inflammatory properties are useful for getting rid of menstrual cramps. So if nothing else is working for you, JEERA water is definitely worth a try. 5. It's great for hair health. JEERA water contains a whole host of nutrients that are great for your hair and can help nourish the roots of your hair. It combats hair thinning and hair loss and contains an ideal combination of protein, fat, water, and carbohydrates that promote proper hair growth and a good environment at the scalp. 6. It improves insulin sensitivity. Recent studies have found that JEERA water may be a good natural beverage for patients suffering from diabetes. It's thought that when you drink it on an empty stomach, it can reduce blood sugar levels. Cumin seeds stimulate the insulin production in the body, which helps keep blood sugar levels in check. Just make sure to consult your doctor before using JEERA water to manage your blood sugar if you're diabetic, and it goes without saying that you should follow a good diet and proper physical activity alongside this. 7. It's a great hydrator. Add some honey and a freshly squeezed lemon along with a pinch of salt into your JEERA water to keep your body's cells hydrated and fresh. Providing water with electrolytes for your body keeps all cells working at peak condition, and a JEERA drink is a great way to accomplish that. Drinking JEERA water in the morning or before a workout can prevent the nausea and dizziness you experience if you have a habit of skipping breakfast. 8. It may assist with weight loss. Obesity is a serious worldwide problem that is linked to a chain reaction of health issues and damages the physical and mental state of people with the condition. Increased visceral fat, high body mass indexes, and insulin resistance are some of the major causes of serious metabolic disorders. JEERA water improves your body mass index and insulin sensitivity, thanks to several factors. For a start, just a teaspoon of JEERA has 7 calories. Those 7 calories are more densely packed with nutrition than in other foods. This means you can enjoy the nutritious benefits of JEERA water without having to pack in the extra calories, which may be unhelpful if you're trying to lose weight. JEERA water is also incredibly beneficial to weight loss when combined with apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has compounds that prevent fat deposition when consumed and is purported to improve metabolic efficiency, allowing stable weight loss while keeping you feeling fuller for longer. Adding this simple cooking ingredient to your JEERA water will help you see additional weight loss benefits if your goal is to shed a few pounds. 9. It has a range of benefits for pregnant women. JEERA is a legendary herbal remedy the world over for pregnant women suffering from morning sickness. It is touted to reduce the pain, bloating, constipation, flatulence, insomnia during pregnancies, and might even promote an easier childbirth. GERD is a frequent complaint of pregnant women, as the increased pressure in the abdominal region leads to acid reflux and indigestion from carrying the baby. The gas-relieving properties of JEERA water offer serious relief in a simple, quick manner, working just as effectively as over-the-counter medication. 10. It aids the respiratory system. JEERA water has been proven in a number of recent studies to have a positive impact on your respiratory system. It's an anticongestive by nature and helps get rid of any mucus that accumulates in your chest. A glass full of JEERA water first thing in the morning could help to quickly and naturally manage any respiratory disorder better. 11. It boosts energy. Cumin seeds are natural energy boosters. They are packed with a whole host of nutrients, which help keep the body at peak energy through the day. If you know you have a sluggish metabolic rate, it's a good idea to drink JEERA water. This simple beverage improves your energy levels and can help you to face anything the day brings. 12. It improves skin health. Drinking a glass of JEERA water every day may help you to improve the overall health of your skin. This is because JEERA contains skin-beneficial nutrients like potassium, selenium, calcium, manganese, and copper in abundance, all of which make the skin soft, smooth, and supple. In particular, calcium helps to preserve a healthy skin glow, thanks to its ability to regulate sebum production to keep skin hydrated and eczema-free. Copper is used in anti-aging skin products and is touted for its ability to develop collagen and elastin, which maintain the strength of the skin. Manganese is needed for producing an amino acid called proline, which is essential for collagen formation and wound healing in human skin cells. Finally, potassium can enhance the moisture and feel of your skin. 13. It treats and prevents anemia. Iron is one of the most vital minerals our bodies need, and it plays a key role in the proper functioning of the body. Cumin contains high amounts of iron and can help to prevent and treat anemia. You can drink JEERA water to fight iron deficiency, which is characterized by fatigue, weakness, pale skin, restless legs, headache, and cold hands and feet. If you think you may be deficient in iron, it's wise to visit your doctor to discuss your symptoms in detail. So, are you wondering how you can enjoy a glass of JEERA water yourself? You'll be happy to know that whipping up a beverage is incredibly simple. Just gather a heaped spoonful or two of JEERA and prepare 2 cups of water in a saucepan. Begin by heating the water in the saucepan and add the JEERA until the mix is warm. Wait until the water begins to boil, then turn the heat down ever so slightly and allow the JEERA to seep in it for an hour to ensure that it is properly infused into the water. When you're done waiting, take the pan off the heat and strain the water. When your water has cooled ever so slightly, enjoy it with a splash of lemon juice, honey, or any other natural sweetener or flavoring that suits you. For the best results, enjoy your JEERA water on an empty stomach in the mornings or drink it at night to keep the acid reflux away. It's worth knowing that if you consume too much JEERA, there are several unpleasant side effects that you may experience. You should always stay away from excessive JEERA and remember that moderation is key. Some of the potential negative effects of consuming JEERA include: 1. It may cause rapid lowering of blood sugar levels. JEERA has a profound ability to reduce blood sugar levels thanks to the nutrients it contains. Diabetics and pregnant women especially should take note of this benefit, as it can sometimes work against your favor. Never take too much JEERA at once, and always back off and enjoy your drink with less JEERA if in doubt. Your doctor may recommend that you reduce your intake of JEERA water or cease drinking JEERA water altogether during a pregnancy or if you have diabetes. It's worth following their advice in all instances. Don't let this scare you off JEERA altogether. Most people with a good health report can consume JEERA safely with no side effects. 2. It might hamper breast milk production. Your doctor might recommend that you stay away from JEERA if you're a new mom. This is because it's possible that excessive amounts of JEERA can result in lower production of breast milk. If you suspect this is the case, stop drinking JEERA water immediately and consult your doctor. Overall, JEERA water is a simple, safe, all-natural, and healthy drink. It's easily accessible to most people, and nearly no one experiences side effects. The fantastic benefits it offers are available to everyone, as long as it's consumed in moderation and consistently. In the long run, JEERA water will give you safe, dependable, steady results in improving your overall health. You can find JEERA in most supermarkets, where it's usually labeled as Cumin. You're just looking for the dry spice, so head down your spice aisle and look for a spice that's orangey brown in color. If you don't fancy the idea of drinking JEERA water every day, you can add JEERA to your savory dishes every evening, or take JEERA supplements in capsule form. You just might not get the same nutritional value as you would from drinking the spice. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on the health benefits of baking soda water. Thanks for watching and bye for now.